2, 3. So first I step in the center. So I do center and lady goes around. You see, I go in the center of her and she goes like circle. 1, 2, 3. So I'm doing my step in center, center, center. Now lady go to the center and guy I go around. 2, 2, 3. Then I go to the center. 1, 2, 3. And lady goes around. 2, 2, 3. Correct? So one by one, the same as Venus balls. Okay? So when you go to the center, you have like I take screw and put these toes, so I just spin because I'm doing this step on the spot. And when I go like around, I have from heel, I have crossing, and I have from toe. Okay? So this part. Okay. So Olena proposed start from exercise that you are looking to the center and you are like control and focus on your steps. Like 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Just this. And then we do all technique with okay. One more time from that point, just to